Hello, friends! Have you heard of a Japanese sweetbread called Melon Pan? It's a sweetbread covered in a crispy cookie crust, which looks like a melon with the crossed lines on the crust. Today, we're going to show you how to make some of these delicious treats with Hello Kitty, Pompompurin and Cinnamoroll. We can just imagine Hello Kitty baking these up for her friends. And we know Pompompurin will enjoy these with a glass of milk. Get your baking supplies ready, and let's get started making some super cute melon pan. Here's what you'll need for the bread. 1 cup of whole milk, 1 2/3 cup of bread flour, 1/3 cup of cake flour, 2 1/2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 cup of room temperature unsalted butter, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 1/4 teaspoon of active dry yeast. First, we'll prepare the bread dough. Whisk together the milk, yeast, and sugar. You can use a hand mixer too. Just make sure to ask an adult for help with kitchen appliances. Add in the flours and salt. Knead the dough for 5 minutes, then incorporate the butter in small slices. Knead the dough for another 5 minutes, and then set it aside to rise for 2 hours. Here's what you'll need for the cookie shell. Pre-made cookie dough, a bowl scraper or spatula, black, blue, and pink candy melt, a round cookie cutter, blue, pink, and brown edible markers, pink and blue food coloring, some toothpicks, and a piping bag. Divide the cookie dough into 2 bowls. Add a drop of pink food coloring to one and blue to the other. Mix each bowl until they're combined. When your bread dough is done rising, put it on your counter and pound it out. Now make a little dough ball and set it aside. Roll your colored cookie dough out. Now, form the cookie around the bread dough.
I love you.
Create lines in the dough like this. Do this with however many colors you want.
Whoa!
Time to make the cookie topper. Roll out a piece of cookie dough and cut out a circle. Use your toothpick to shape each face. Hi, Cinnamoroll! Let's place him on the blue melon pan. Hello Kitty on the pink. And Pompompurin on the cookie-colored one. Bake them in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. After they've cooled, it's time to decorate. Use your edible markers and carefully color in Hello Kitty's bow. Put a dot of fondant for her nose. Next, pipe on the outline of her bow, whiskers, and eyes in black candy melt. Use the brown marker to add some detail to Pompompurin's beret, mouth, and eyes. Do you know that Pompompurin is a golden retriever who loves to nap? We're sure he'll take a nap after eating one of these melon pans. And for our friend Cinnamoroll, you'll need pink for his cheeks and blue marker or candy melt for his eyes and mouth. Look at how adorable and scrumptious these Hello Kitty and Friends melon pans look. Let us know in the comments if you plan on making this Japanese snack. Thank you so much for watching and baking with us. Hope to see you again soon. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.